The 2027 Audi Q6 e-tron hasn't officially launched yet, but based on current information, we already know what to expect. After skipping the 2026 model year, Audi is bringing it back with minor updates rather than a full redesign. On the outside, the design is expected to stay the same. That means the ridged hood, slim daytime running lights, and rectangular headlights positioned mid-level in the front fascia will continue. The large oval trim element that forms the faux grille remains a key visual identity. Along the side, we should still see the gray lower door trim, the strong character line near the rear, and the heavily raked Sportback-style roofline. At the back, circular taillights connected by a horizontal light bar and a subtle rear spoiler complete the look. Inside, the overall layout is also expected to carry over. The sloping dashboard with the wraparound light bar, the curved dual display setup, and the available passenger display should remain unchanged. However, Audi is updating the steering wheel with proper physical controls and new scroll wheels, which could improve usability compared to touch-sensitive inputs. In terms of technology, the Q6 e-tron is expected to offer an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14.5-inch central touchscreen, and an optional 10.9-inch passenger display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, a 20-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system, head-up display, Wi-Fi hotspot, and multiple USB ports should all continue. Audi is also simplifying the software interface for 2027 with cleaner menus and more straightforward layouts. Features like reverse assist, saved parking movements, and an available dash cam are expected to remain part of the package. Performance-wise, the 2027 model should keep the same dual-motor setup producing 456 horsepower and 427 pound-feet of torque. Power will likely come from a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack using an 800-volt architecture with an estimated range of up to 307 miles. Safety remains a strong focus. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, intersection assist, and several other advanced driver assistance systems. Pricing is expected to start at $65,795 for the base premium trim, with higher trims and Sportback versions priced accordingly. The official arrival is projected for the second quarter of 2026. Overall, the 2027 Audi Q6 e-tron looks less like a reinvention and more like a refinement, keeping its strong electric performance and premium tech, while improving usability where it matters.